Okay, here. Yeah. Uh-huh. See, Mama? You've made her a picky eater. Yeah, a picky eater, Mama. You made a picky eater. You don't like it. No, this is why we don't start with the oranges. Yeah. Um, mm. Yum. Yum. It's good for you. It's good, Emma. It's good for you. It's good for you. Here, okay, here. Here's another. Here's sweet. Here's sweet. There you go. How's that? Here's another bite. Another bite, sweet. Yeah. Here you go. Mama has created an Amanda, where Aunt Amanda only likes to eat chocolate. Here. Oh, my child. You are just hilarious. Here. Here you go.